how to use promo money on Prizepicks. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use your promo money on Prizepicks. Alright, so let's begin. So first, what are promo funds or promo money? So promo funds are an in-app currency awarded to Prizepicks members during various promotions. You may not withdraw from your promo fund balance, but you may use it to place entries. Winning entries that will replace using promo funds will be automatically converted to credit funds, which can be then withdrawn. Members can view the promo fund balance in the top right corner of the app next to the gift box icon. So how do you use your promo funds? So if you have promo funds available to use, any entries you will place will automatically draw from your promo fund balance. However, if your promo fund balance is lower than the amount you input for your entry, funds will be drawn from your credit card from your credit fund balance instead. How do I get promo funds? You can get promo funds by participating in Prize Picks promotions, completing challenges, winning giveaways, winning free entries, claiming deposit bonus, or at random. And lastly, can I combine my promo and credit funds together? The only time you can request to combine your promo funds and credit funds is if you are unable to place an entry at the minimum amount of $5. So for example, if you have $3 in promo and $2 in credit, you will be unable to place an entry. In this case, support to combine your funds into your promo balance and you'll be able to place a $5 entry. But if you have enough funds in either balance to place an entry, you will not be able to combine your funds. So if you have less than $5 in both balances combined, you will need to deposit more money into your account to place an entry. So let's just go to the Price Picks dashboard, and then you can see your promo funds right here in promotions, and then from here you can now use it. So that's basically how you can use promo money on Price Picks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.